Hello? Do you guys hear me? British ka, girl! Mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel. This is Daryl again. In today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing of the Blue Yeti mic that I bought from Amazon and some of the parts that I needed to connect it to my iPhone. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I do videos about language learning, but for now, we're gonna do an unboxing. So, let's just get right into the video. We'll do an unboxing of my Blue Yeti microphone. I've been really wanting to buy a new microphone for my vlog, but since I didn't have the money, I just bought it like a few weeks ago. So now that it arrived, we're gonna unbox it and see how it is. I bought it from Amazon. Actually, it's not Amazon Prime, but most of the time when I buy it, they put this sticker. So probably they're just doing this for promotion. But so let's see. Oh my god, there it is, guys. Okay. So what I like about this microphone, when I was watching a lot of vloggers about this, is that it has different kinds of like sounds that it produces. So look how cute it is. I actually ordered a black one because I feel like it's very classy, elegant, and I just feel like having a black microphone, like a normal one, like very minimalist style as well. So I think I love this. So 4 settings, infinite possibilities. So there. So they also have one in French and one in English. Oh, that's interesting. They don't have one in Spanish? Yeah, so apparently they just have one in English and Spanish, but this one, like the packaging. But here we have different languages. They have Spanish, Italian, German, Japanese, and Chinese. So there. It says amazing vocals, music, podcast, voiceovers, interviews, conference calls, field recording, and much more. Ah, okay, so that's Yeti. Legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. I didn't know that that's what Yeti stands for. An incredibly versatile USB microphone found worldwide. So look at this design. They're really cute, right? I loved it. Okay, so here, I'm gonna show you some of the parts. So you have the microphone, mute button, the volume, mic gain control, and what else? USB. So it has different parts. So now it's this one, and let's just open it, girl. I'm excited. I really wanted to buy a new microphone because I feel like sometimes people don't really hear me that much. If it's okay, if it's better. But for now, since I'm opening this, let's just be patient. I don't want to break the packaging because it's like really pretty. This Black Yeti microphone cost me 134 euros. So you can definitely find a cheaper one depending on what you want. So they have the gray one. I don't know if they have different colors, but I just pick the black one because I feel like it's very minimalist and I like the black microphone, so that's why I chose it. So now here, there's still one here that we need to remove. Oh, okay, so here it is. So we have this one. So there, we're gonna plug it later. And then you have this one for instructions. Later on, I'm gonna read the one in Spanish and French because I do translation as well. And normally, whenever I find instructions, like guide, like manual, I keep them because I use them a lot. Like I try to read how they phrase things in Spanish and French because that's the languages that I'm working with. So Here it is! My Blue Yeti microphone. Oh my god. It looks so heavy, guys. It's heavy. So there. You see this? It's so cute. I love it. The Blue Yeti microphone. So we have finished unboxing now, so I'm gonna use it for my vlog. Okay, so they put foam in here because I think it's very dangerous if they don't, so that it wouldn't like when they send it to the customers, it wouldn't move that much and it wouldn't break. So I think that's a good strategy. Oh my goodness, here it is, guys. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh no. So here's the Blue Yeti microphone. I'm gonna use it later on to see how the sound works. So I have some of the things that I need here to connect everything. Okay, so I'm gonna use it now. I bought this one. It's not from Yeti, but I think it's really useful for connecting different plugs. Because imagine if you want to have like a longer one, then you need this to connect from your laptop, from your phone. So you need two of them so that it's gonna be longer. So we need this one. So we just need to connect this from the microphone to your iPhone, for example. And it's really important that you buy an adapter because sometimes every gadget has a different adapter, so it's really important to have one. I bought an adapter as well for my iPhone so that I could use it. So this one is for iPhone. So lighting to USB 3 camera. So it's this one. So it basically connects your microphone to your iPhone, and then also it's the one that we use to connect to our extension cord. You see this, guys? So there. And from what I know, so this one, for example, we need to connect it here, and then after connecting that, we also need to, okay, this one we need to connect this to our iPhone, and this one we need to connect this to our microphone. So it's connected now, so let's see if it's gonna work. Hello? The volume. Hello? 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 Well, it's on. Basically, it's on. Hi, hi. I don't know, guys, how to turn this on. Let's try to see.
1 hour later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. So I just finished connecting the microphone to my iPhone. So basically I bought a longer cord because sometimes I just feel like I want to go to another place and my room is quite small, so I just want to film wherever I am. And basically to connect to my iPhone, which I use as well as my camera, it's quite difficult. Oh, so this one is moving as well, so it's quite scary for me sometimes. So like, what? So there. Now I'm using the first one. I don't know like all this for, but basically here, if you can see, you can put it here, and then the sound is like this. And then if we do it like this, I think the sound's gonna change. You're gonna hear it later on. So do you guys hear me clearly? So later on you can tell me which one fits you or which one is better. So there. So this is the third one. Hello? Do you guys hear me? British ka, girl! And the last one. Hi guys! How are you feeling today? Good day. Hola, hola. ¿Qué tal? ¿Estáis bien? ¿Bien? Bueno. Y ahora tenemos aquí el micrófono de Yeti. So there, guys. Like all these four, you can research it. There's one wherein when you use it, it actually just focuses on your speech. So it basically cancels out a lot of noise. And then there's another option wherein if you are doing an interview, it's really good because it catches not just your voice but also the other person who is like near. That's great as well. And then there is also like an option wherein everything can be heard around you, something like that. So keep on trying everything. And then depending on the purpose of your interview or anything like that, then you can definitely use any of these. So hope you guys enjoy my unboxing for today of Blue Yeti. I really love this microphone. As you can see, this one, it's black, just like my t-shirt. And I feel like I'm gonna use this a lot for podcasts, for my videos and YouTube tutorials, especially that I teach online. And yeah, it's definitely some of the wonders. I just feel like it's worth buying. It's quite heavy. I don't know if it's 1 kilogram or more than 1 kilogram, but yeah, so definitely a nice tool to have when you do a lot of speaking engagements. Speaking engagements, good girl. So thank you so much, guys, for watching our video today. This is Dariel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I'm gonna see you soon. Ciao.